and welcome back to Products in Detail, a series where we take an in-depth look at our favourite products and processes. This week we're going to look at our hybrid ceramic synthetic clay kit. So included in this kit you'll get a traditional Supreme Shine microfiber towel, our synthetic clay and our hybrid ceramic detailer. The reasons for claying are to remove above surface contaminants before you go onto the compound and polish section. The plus side of this kit is with the hybrid ceramic detailer you're going to leave a ceramic coating afterwards. So the same with any other clay application, it's nice and simple. The detailer is giving you the lubrication onto the surface and you simply, in a cross-hatch motion, left to right, up and down, and that's the application done. You've then removed any above surface contaminants, and with a simple wipe with a microfiber towel you're leaving yourself a ceramic protection afterwards as well. One of the plus sides of using synthetic clay versus our traditional clays that has a shelf life, this now can just be rinsed away and it's good to go next time. You can also do this process on all of your glass, including your windscreen, to remove any traffic film or road grime that you might get as a build-up of high mileage. So why go with this kit? The beauty of this kit, it's going to be leaving protection as you clay. So using our hybrid ceramic detailer, all new technology, is leaving a ceramic coating as you clay. Thanks for joining us in this Products in Detail. We're super excited for this kit to arrive. Remember to like, share, subscribe for any future content, whether that's Tom vs Dale, Products in Detail or Day in the Bay.